Okay. Hi, people. You see me? Hi. My mom. Well, sorry about Big Girl. I want to say Big Girl. Sorry that I did coloring. I did color, make color video or H0OK video because I've been sick and do other things. So, okay, but anyway, for you, Big Girl, my mom make nothing like H0OK. I did Latch, I did for fish, Latch, and when color of fishes, I still have color. I show you that for your Big Girl. But no, I still have that coming. But then I didn't color because I was sick and do other things. But and I did that too. You know what it is? Because I don't know what it is. What is it? Castle?
It's gotta be a castle. That's what it looks like. The castle where the fish can go inside of it.
Yeah.
It's gotta be that.
Home fish go inside.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Look, yeah. Okay, and I color one more. That, but I think you are waking before. Not done good, but it is the face with I did it by myself. I don't need a book. It goes. This is sweet. If we and this come from book. That's but it came and I have surprise to show you is my mom made this. Oh, good. Stop. It is big pillow. Your mom got eyeball. Eyeball. Not my eye, not my friend's eye, but that eye. Okay? Yeah, take my eyeball. I'm playing. Well, no. I'm just kidding. I like to be funny someday. Sometimes, you know. I like to be funny. So anyway, that is it. I want to show you. And I want to show all YouTube friends and the Facebook friends. Not like Megan, everyone. Okay? Okay. So that's it. Hello. My mom make me. My mommy make me. Yep, it's cool. And my mom said don't sleep on it.
It's just for decorating.
But yeah,
Yeah. She does mine, it'll be the same.
yeah, yeah. My mom should make me a stocking. I have a stocking for that top stocking, but it's not ready yet. You shut up. Okay, so anyway, that's all I want to show you. Okay, so if you like it, please send me a comment and thumb up. If you don't, thumb down, you know. And subscribe on my channel. That'll be very, very helpful for you and for me. Okay? Because I only got 70 subscribers. So I'm trying to make more subscribers. I want to be over 100 subscribers by December. If I can get 100 subscribers by December. Okay? So, and today, tell me which page you like. Tell me which color do you like. And comment below. My page is mounted all the videos. Okay? It is my page of my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you for if you comment to me and what picture do you like in my book? You like this one or that one? Do you like that one? Or do you like that one? Cat face one? Do you like this one? I'll do it all myself. Nobody help me, not in book. It's not in the book. I'll do it by myself. By myself. Okay? But this one is in the book. So, okay? So tell me which one do you like? And comment me below. Okay? Thank you. Okay, and I see you next video. Bye bye. Peace. Bye bye.